To restore a Trust Wallet on a new phone, you first need to understand the concept of a recovery phrase, which is a list of words that gives you access to your cryptocurrency funds. When you set up a Trust Wallet, you are given a recovery phrase that you must write down and keep safe. Begin by downloading and installing the Trust Wallet app on your new phone. Once installed, open the app and select the option to restore a wallet. You will then be prompted to enter your recovery phrase, which is typically a list of 12 words. Enter the words in the correct order, as they were given to you when you first set up your Trust Wallet. After entering your recovery phrase, you will be asked to create a new password and PIN for your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password and PIN to ensure the security of your wallet. You will then be logged into your restored wallet, where you can access your cryptocurrency funds. It is essential to keep your recovery phrase safe, as anyone with access to it can restore your wallet and gain control of your funds. Best practices include storing your recovery phrase in a secure location, such as a safe or a locked box, and never sharing it with anyone. In addition to keeping your recovery phrase safe, you should also enable two-factor authentication on your Trust Wallet to add an extra layer of security. This will require you to enter a code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password and PIN when logging into your wallet. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully restore your Trust Wallet on a new phone and ensure the security of your cryptocurrency funds. Remember to always keep your recovery phrase and wallet login information safe to prevent unauthorized access to your wallet.